Yo, so what's good? I was making this real quick beat, and I just wanted to hold on. Let me. Oh fuck, I can't. All right, whatever. So, fuck.
Hurry the fuck up!
I'm gonna have to change this. All right, so I'm not gonna lie, the audio is not working with the computer. Like y'all I'ma still record it, but y'all gonna have to like just hear through my camera, I guess.
Hey, that's a bullshit.
So yeah, let me just start. Oh shit, I started streaming. Stop streaming, start recording. But yeah, so it's recording right now. So let me time check it. Actually, there's not gonna be any audio. So either way though, so I started with this melody I made on Cxdy. I have Cxdy, yeah. So I started with this melody. Fuck, where is it? Pattern 1. Damn, y'all probably can't even see that. Fuck. My fault, y'all. So I started with this melody.
Hurry the fuck up!
Cxdy. Boom. This shit. Come on, son. I played it on the keyboard at 75 BPM. It's literally F sharp minor, just literally that. Just so I just literally played that the two instances. And y'all might be saying right now, yo, this video is mad ghetto, no screen recording on, or no hearing the computer and shit, but I don't give a fuck, man. I'm trying to get some new content out. So I started with that, and I put a hi-hat on. Just regular two-step. Then I did with the claps. Yo, shout out to the boy Cody, yo. That man is the GOAT, yo. His Space Cadet drum kit is fire. But yeah. Then I came in with the 808s. I literally just followed the pattern. Like I put it in the first pattern. I went like this. Pattern 1. Now I literally went. I sent it to piano roll. Y'all gonna see it on the. I'm recording.
Hurry the fuck up!
So I sent it to piano roll, and I literally copied. Well, I put it up here. I put it up here, but I was copying the shit, literally like the bass notes. So I put F sharp. I think I put another one there. Y'all gonna see what I did. Either way though, either way, let me show y'all how it sounds. I'm gonna show y'all the pattern and then how it sounds after. So I did that. Actually, I'm gonna do it at the same time. Boom. Literally, just. So yeah, I literally made that in a couple of minutes, but I was just the purpose of this video is to show that you could like make a quick ass beat out of nothing in a fast ass time. Like I made this real quick. I literally played the chords in 75 and then I stretched them to 150, and then after that I started laying down the hi-hats. You could add rolls to the hi-hat. I stopped doing that really, but you know, I sometimes still do it, but you know, same thing. Yeah, that's it. End of the video. You probably gonna hear me drink water in a couple of minutes, but subscribe, comment what else you want to see, and what else. That's it, yo. I know I probably look crazy as fuck. But I don't give a fuck. Subscribe, comment, tell me what else you want to see. All of that. Just you know, share your thoughts. Make this quick ass beat, couple minutes. Shout out to y'all.